Hello friends, my name is Aditya Deshmuskh. I am studying in B.Sc second year, Adarsh College, Hingoli. Today we are going to discuss some theorems in real analysis. Today we are going to explain Bolzano Weierstras Theorem for sequence. This theorem was explained by Bernard Bolzano in 1817, who is a Prague mathematician, and significantly proved by Carl Weierstrass in 1867. Now, let us check what is the statement for Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem for sequence. The statement for Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem is the every bounded sequence has a limit point. Before we move towards the proof of Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem, we need some basic concept. The first basic concept required for Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem is a limit point. Let us check what is limit point. A real number xi is a limit point of set S if every neighborhood of xi contains an infinite number of members of S. Then only xi is called limit point of set S. We also have another definition. A real number xi is said to be limit point of set S if every neighborhood of xi contains at least one member of S other than xi. Then we said xi is a limit point of set S. Limit point is also called as cluster point or condensation point or accumulation point. Now friends, the another basic concept required for Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem proof is bounded sequence. A sequence is said to be bounded if and only if it is bounded above as well as bounded below. Then only the sequence is said to be bounded. Now friends, we have completed our basics required for Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem. Now we move towards the proof of Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem. Let sequence Sn be a bounded sequence and S equals to set of all Sn such that small n belongs to set of natural number. Be its range set. Since the sequence is bounded, that is sequence have upper limit as well as upper bound as well as lower bound. Therefore, its range set S is also bounded. There are two possibility arises. First one, S is finite. Another one, S is infinite. Let us check briefly what happens when S is finite. When S is finite, there exists at least one member xi which belongs to S such that Sn equals to xi for infinite number of values of n. This simply means that every neighborhood of open interval xi minus epsilon, xi plus epsilon of xi contains Sn for an infinite number of values of n. Here the first possibility has been completed. Now let us move towards second possibility, that is S is infinite. Since it is bounded, it has by Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem for sequence at least one limit point, say xi. Again, since xi is a limit point of S, therefore every neighborhood of open interval xi minus epsilon and xi plus epsilon of xi contains an infinite number of S, that is Sn belongs to open interval xi minus epsilon and xi plus epsilon for infinite values of n. Hence, xi is the limit point of sequence. Here we have proved Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem. Thank you friends for watching this video, and especially to Hatkar sir to give me this opportunity to perform this task. Thank you.